Okay, so after flushing the engine with the Moly or Molly engine flush, the tick is starting to get better. This one right here. It's slight now. I also added some lifter additive from Moly. So I think this is starting to get better. I'm not concerned that much about it anymore. Here's a quick walk around of the car. I haven't even washed her yet for the season. She's been in the garage. She's a head turner. Doors shut nice. No smoke, no rust. Idle's just right. People don't even